This is Parish House for Immaculate Heart of Mary. It's a 6-bedroom duplex with an attached chapel. I am Alma Durji, architect and project manager. We just finished POP and screeding. So we're getting into the finishings, fittings, tiling. Okay, the window that you saw standing, okay, that's a parishioner donated the window. So we're yet to receive the window. You know how parish work is now, church work is. So somebody donated the window. Just like this, though, you're saying somebody donated it. So we are waiting for him to redeem his donation. That's why it's open there. It's been a long time this project started. We had target of Easter to get the tiling done. You know, something about church projects, we don't give an ultimatum because, of course, this money is coming from good-willing parishioners. So you're not going to hold anybody to the throat to get you money to finish the parish building. It's little by little, and little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. This is Grand Greeders Associates. We are into designing your dream home and making it come to reality. Building and designing. We give you the best quality and cost-effective